Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Lamborghini Urus in the 1/24 scale made by Welly. Sadly, my model had the right mirror broken. It came this way. I had several Wellys that came with this kind of problem. I will need to re-glue it to the body. At the first look I like very much the color, but I don't like the fact that Welly didn't bother to put side windows at the front doors that open. Okay, so now after I remove the seals, let's take a closer look. The front wheels turn, no suspension. I like very much how they did the brake disc. Also the calipers look pretty nice. And also the wheels. As I mentioned, we have the doors that open, the front doors. The interior has a few details. For the 1/24 scale is quite okay. Also we have the Italian flag here. Let me see if I can open the hood. We have a few details on the hood, on the engine as well. We have the Lamborghini written on both sides. In the front we have the radar detector. And in the back also the Lamborghini logo is nicely done. Also, and the rear headlights. I don't like very much the tips on this model. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the model. Please like and subscribe.